They have an incredible product here, their new solar generator.
This is the Jackery
Explorer 2000 Plus.
A big boy and a bad boy.
Inside of here is now lithium iron phosphate batteries.
It can run this whole thing right here for 37 more hours.
This is the first Jackery to offer battery expandability.
If you have 2 units, in effect, you could accept 2,800 watts of solar in total.
Jackery uses IBC advanced solar technology, allowing this thing to charge faster and be way more efficient.
Tiny house, camping and glamping situation. 3 power tools at once, totally awesome.
You would be very happy to have one of these in your truck or your SUV or even your adventure van.
Jackery definitely brought its A game this time.
It's easy to use, it's easy to expand on it.
I can easily say it's probably one of their best models to date.